What's up, everybody? Brian Tong here for all my gamers. And you know, it was Microsoft's turn to flex their muscle in the console wars at E3 2019 with their official reveal of Project Scarlet. It's their next-gen Xbox that will be releasing in holiday 2020 with Halo Infinite confirmed as a launch title. Wow. So let's talk about what Microsoft did reveal, and without a doubt, the next-gen consoles, these things are going to be absolute beasts. They didn't go into too much detail. We didn't see what Project Scarlet looks like, not even an edge or a surface, but its new processor will be a custom-designed AMD processor utilizing the latest Zen 2 microarchitecture and Navi graphics technology. Now, we don't know the specifics yet, they didn't tell us, but if you've been following along with what Sony revealed for their upcoming PlayStation 5, both the new Xbox and PS5 will likely be using AMD's 7nm octa-core Ryzen 3000 processor, then custom designed for each of the console's needs with a Radeon Navi based GPU. In their reveal, Microsoft said that Project Scarlet would be 4 times more powerful compared to the Xbox One X. It will support 120 frames per second with variable refresh rate and resolutions up to 8K, and its Navi based GPU will handle real-time hardware accelerated ray tracing. So will the Xbox now be able to run all of these things at the same time? I mean, it's doubtful, but maybe they really do just blow our minds. And then there's that buzzword again on next-gen consoles for both Microsoft and Sony. We're talking ray tracing. So ray tracing, it has real benefits because it models the travel of light to simulate how it interacts in 3D environments. It can accurately mimic how light bounces from object to object in a scene, like how sunlight hits different surfaces, or even the reflection of an explosion and the light it generates reflecting onto the side of a car. With the power of this console, it can even be rendered in real time for this real heightened sense of realism. You'll see it all the time in Hollywood blockbuster movies. Nvidia's RTX graphics line includes ray tracing support, but these would be the first game consoles that will be able to handle it. Now, the new Xbox will also be using a solid state drive. They said they're creating a new generation of SSDs and that they're using the SSD as virtual RAM. The big benefit here, it should boost performance by 40 times over the current console, and games will load a whole lot faster, according to them. I think it could really be similar to the load times of that leaked Spider-Man demo running on the PS5 that cut the game load time on a PS4 Pro at 8.1 seconds down to 0.8 seconds running on that PS5, so we could see that here as well. Now, Microsoft didn't specifically address features like backwards compatibility on stage in their announcement. In their press release, they said thousands of games across 4 console generations will look and play best on Project Scarlet. And you know, knowing Xbox's history for backwards compatibility, you've got to believe that it's going to be a top priority. So what I really liked about this announcement is that not only did they tease the console, but they released their first trailer for Halo Infinite, which will be a launch title for the new Xbox. You know, there were no game announcements from Sony with their next-gen console reveal, so you have an all-time franchise like Halo just ready to roll on launch already. It makes it an instant get for Xbox gamers. And then if they're going with the title Halo Infinite, could we see the Xbox Infinite? You know, or, I mean, okay, it does sound kind of stupid, but then it doesn't sound that bad either. Now, there is no price for Xbox Project Scarlet, no official name yet, and no specific release date, but we do know it will release sometime during the holiday of 2020. And with all these specs they told us, I think it looks pretty breathtaking.
You're breathtaking. You're all breathtaking.
Now, when you stack up the features here, both Microsoft and Sony, they're going to be bringing very similar processing power, if not the same, but in the end, you know how it is. It always comes down to the games. So I'm totally fired up for this, and the future is looking just amazing for gamers everywhere. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, subs up, and hit that notification bell. Bing! Take care, everybody. Be safe, and I'll talk to you next time. Latest.